Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch control in Audi RS6. First, ensure your engine is warm and ready. Next, navigate to your MMI system and select the dynamic or RS drive mode. This prepares the car's systems for maximum acceleration. Finally, we'll cover the exact pedal inputs needed to activate the launch control feature, ensuring a perfect start every time. Before attempting launch control, it's crucial to properly prepare your Audi RS6. Make sure your engine has reached its ideal operating temperature to prevent any undue stress. Then, use the Audi Drive Select button to switch into either dynamic or RS mode, which configures the car for aggressive driving. Lastly, partially or fully deactivate the electronic stabilization control for the best launch. Now for the exciting part, engaging launch control. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Simultaneously, with your right foot, fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor. You should feel the engine rev up and hold at an optimal RPM. Once ready, quickly release the brake pedal, and your Audi RS6 will launch with incredible force. After experiencing the thrill of launch control, remember to give your Audi RS6 a moment to recover. Avoid repeated launches without allowing the transmission and other components to cool down. Also, always check your tire pressure and tread wear, as launch control puts significant stress on them. For other great deals, and to find out more about those amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.